Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to learn how to customize fonts in Adobe Photoshop. So to get started, we are going to select our fonts or our type 2 and type in the word, and the word I'm going to type in is supernatural. Okay, supernatural. And the next thing I'm going to do is to increase the size of the font. Okay, so I'm going to center it, and to center it I'm going to click on this and this, which will center it perfectly in the middle. So if yours is not enabled, you come to these three dots, you click on it, you click here. If yours is on selection, then you select canvas. After that, you can use this to align your text in the middle. So the font I'm using is Bebas, and I'm using this font because it is a long font or a display font, and with customization the best font to use is display font. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to convert our text into a smart object or a shape. To do that, we will come to the layers panel over here, right click on the text, scroll through the options, then you see convert shape over here, and you click on it. So it has been converted to shape and all the angles has been selected. So the next thing we are going to do is to select our direct selection tool from this panel. And if yours is not on direct selection tool, you long press on this. So we have two options, and normally it is on the path selection tool. So if yours is on the path selection tool, then you select the direct selection tool. Once that is selected, we are ready to customize our font. Okay, so you look through the font and see where or the areas where customization will be easier. And when you look at this, the first easier customization will be merging this E into the R. So what we are going to do is to select the two edges of the E that are going to enter into the R. So you can see that it has been thick blue and all the other angles are white. So remember, doing this, we have to select the direct selection tool before we do that. So once we've selected the two edges, we hold down shift so that it can travel on a straight line. Then you drag it into the R. You can see that it has perfectly entered the R. And the next customization I've also noticed is the T can enter into the U seamlessly. So let's do that. We are going to select the two edges of the T, hold shift and drag it into the R. You can see that it has also entered it seamlessly. You can see that our text has started looking nice already. And the next customization I'm going to do is to expand or extend the height of the L. So I'm going to select the two edges of the L, hold down shift and drag it upwards. Okay, so and I'm going to do the same for the P. I'm going to select the two edges, hold down shift and drag it downwards. So you can see that our text is looking much better than the actual font. But one thing you have to get in mind when customizing font is you don't overdo it. You do it in a way that the word or whatever information you are putting out can be read and understood perfectly. So I think this is a good customization. I'm not going further to customize any other thing. Even though you can even extend the U. Let's say I want to extend the U a little. I can select the edges, hold down shift and drag it up. Though I've customized the U, you can see that the work doesn't look as professional as without the U. So with customization, you have to really customize it in a way that the text can be read and it looks appealing as well. So you don't overdo it. You just customize the easiest parts that can be customized. Yeah, so this is how we customize text in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.